In this video, we will see about what is machine learning and why it matters. What is machine learning? Machine learning is the science of getting computers to act without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It is a branch of AI based on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions accordingly. Evolution of machine learning. Because of new computing technologies, machine learning today is not like machine learning of the past. Machine learning is so pervasive today that you probably use it dozen of times a day without knowing it. It was born from pattern recognition and the theory that computers can learn without being programmed to perform specific tasks. Researchers interested in artificial intelligence wanted to see if computers could learn from data. The iterative aspect of machine learning is important because as models are exposed to new data, they are able to independently adapt. They learn from previous computations to practice reliable, repeatable decisions and results. Basically, it's a science that's not new, but one that has gained fresh momentum. Many researchers think it is the best way to make progress towards human level artificial intelligence. These are the few examples which are widely known. Machine learning is being used in image recognition, speech recognition. It is used in self-driving cars and in the online portals to recommend offers which you like and knowing customers what they are saying about you. And it is being mostly used in fraud detections. So, who is using machine learning in day-to-day world? Financial services. Financial services such as banks and other business use machine learning technology for two key purposes. One is to identify important insights in data and prevent fraud. The insights can identify investment opportunities or help investors to know when to trade. Government agencies such as public safety and utilities have a particular need for machine learning since they have multiple sources of data that can be mined for insights. Analyzing sensor data, for example, identifies ways to increase efficiency and save money. Machine learning can also help detect fraud and minimize identify theft. Healthcare in healthcare industry, machine learning is a fast-growing trend thanks to the advent of wearable devices and sensors that can use data to assess a patient's health in real time. The technology can also help medical experts to analyze data to identify trends or red flag that may lead to improved diagnosis and treatment. In retail industries, websites recommending items you might like based on the previous purchase or using machine learning. Retailers rely on machine learning to capture data and analyze it and use it to personalize your shopping experience and implementing market campaigning or price optimization. Machine learning is being used in oil and gas industry as well. It is used to find new energy sources based on analyzing minerals in the ground or predicting refinery sensor failure, streamlining oil distribution to make it more efficient and cost effective. The number of machine learning use cases for the industry is vast and still expanding. In transportation, analyzing data to identify the patterns and trends is a key to the transportation industry, which relies on making roads more efficient and predicting potential problems to increase profitability. So, why ML is more important? The nearly limitless quantities of available data, affordable data storage, and the growth of less expensive and more powerful processing has propelled the growth of machine learning. Now, many industries are developing more robust machine learning models capable of analyzing bigger and more complex data while delivering faster, more accurate results on vast scales. The practical application of machine learning drive business results which can dramatically affect a company's bottom line. New technologies in the field are evolving rapidly and expanded the application of machine learning to nearly limitless possibilities. Industries depend on vast quantities of data and need a system to analyze it effectively, accurately, have embraced machine learning as the best way to build models, strategize, and plan. Machine learning tools enable organizations to more quickly identify profitable opportunities and potential risks. Thanks for watching this video. Click the bell icon to get notifications. Please like and share this video and subscribe to Tech for All.